Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix x360ce app for Rocketry. As you can see, the red square in the tab shows that your controller will not work, but I'm gonna show you how to fix it, so stay tuned. To make this work, we need to make sure that those files are the only ones left in the game directory of Rocket League. Go to the game directory of Rocket League and remove the unnecessary files. After you remove them, right-click the x360ce and run as administration. Now, the red light is now green, which means it will now work for Rocket League. Now, let's load the Epic Games Launcher to see if it works. It does work for my Katabox 2 controller. That's all. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.